Welcome to T5 here at freetradingvideos.com. Enjoy the show.
Welcome to the Market Rag for Friday, November 23rd, 2007. And begin. The markets had a nice little creep up going most of the day with a big sell-off right at the end. This was 100 Dow points we lost here. The Dow broke into a new low area where the Nasdaq kind of held tough today. Bonds had a gap up just to go sideways to continue their upward trend. Everything else basically went sideways to down except for gold with just a little run right here at the end. Not too much action before the holidays. The S&P lost 1.5% today, just another down day and a downtrend. A little bigger of a range than I would have expected here before Thanksgiving. Here you can see the euro gapping up again and putting in kind of a doji formation, which is never good after a big run like this. Going over to the market grid, you can see the Dow's taken it the hardest here as of late. The only green's going to be the commodity area here. As we come down here to the sectors, you can see the utilities here are the only ones above the 70% range. Then you have a whole list of them over here in the lower 10% of their range on the short term. Transport, semiconductors, telecom, finance, industrials, and even technology now. By the end of today, there were no soldiers standing. Everybody went down today. Telecom was your big loser, again just after making that lower high below the support area. It really got hit hard today. It was followed by materials in the finance area. Again, still in downtrends and continuing its move down here. This is helping out our CSE short. Again, a little bit of positive action in our direction. Not too much. Utilities topped the list. It only was down about 0.5%, but still down for the day. You can see it put in that big old shooting star there. That's not what you want to see. I'm going to go ahead and go neutral for the last day of this trading week. I'm not expecting too much action with the Thanksgiving weekend coming up. No real breath indicators on the daily, but we still have a bunch of buys there on the week, which have kind of got me on guard. We got stopped out of our Mo trade as it fell with the rest of the market today. That took us off a margin, and I'm fine with that. We tightened up some of our stops on our remaining positions and fix the rest of that risk issue so we can go into the weekend with none of our money on the table. And that's a nice feeling to have. Plus, who knows?
A man is never more truthful than when he acknowledges himself a liar.
Thanks for spending your time with us. Have a great evening. Hey! You can lose a lot of money trading. These are not recommendations of any sort. Just opinions. Always remember, a fool and his money are soon parted.